Got it. Love it. Well, except for the damage on base. Appears to be a tooling ding. Wonder if possible to get a replacement base. Hate to have to return the whole thing, but that damage is annoying. I am a guy trying to buy the best quality equipment for the better price to record my adventures. And I am very happy with this one. Amazing solid material. Don't throw your money like me buying plastic. When I use this mount, I am 100% sure that it's keeping my phone safe. I'm a SAG-AFTRA actor. When my agent or manager tells me to submit a video audition to a casting director in LA, I use the Ulanzi ST-03 to steady my iPhone X to record my audition video. I like the Ulanzi ST-03 screw clamp adjustment better than the spring-loaded clamp adjustment, because the screw clamp adjustment is I'm really impressed with this mount. The metal design makes it sturdy but not outrageously heavy. It folds up really compact, which is great for travel and seems like it will last the test of time. I read a few reviews saying the hidden cold shoe mount was useless and too small, but I didn't find that to be the case. It actually worked out perfect for me. Solid build that will last forever. Securely holds phone built-in mount on top for mics or light screw opening on bottom to attach. Legs cannot be folded up while mounted. Did have an issue with my light touching knob that raises mounts up and down. Click link in description for more reviews.